whole thing.
There's a guy who's got a great video that you would love.
Jack Olson is a writer in Hollywood who is a really fascinating character. I'm going to get him on the podcast too.
Decided he wanted to buy an old Porsche.
1972 911.
So this guy puts together this car.
Only has 272 horsepower. It's very light. But what's interesting to me is Olson is obsessed with his one car and tweaking everything, constantly trying to shave seconds off of his car, trying to hit the perfect line every time. Yeah. And in doing so, he's able to drive faster around Willow Springs, which is one of the fastest racetracks in America. And he's able to drive faster with his 1972 low horsepower car than the most modern, most spectacular version of the 991 GT3.
And that's his fucking garage. He built all this. He built the whole garage. And he just decided, look, I'll just slowly get into it and understand it. And then takes his fucking garage and turns his garage into like a professional workspace. Digs a hole in the ground. Puts a lift in the floor of his garage. Like lays cement. Does everything. It's a really fucking cool video because this is a guy that didn't have any background in it. That's his fucking garage. He built all this. He built the whole garage. And he has different aero, like see that giant wing? That's aero that he puts on only when he's at the racetrack, so he can unbolt it and do it. He uses his car for everything. He uses his car to go get groceries.
Oh yeah, look at the
drives
back
around
end.
in it.
Yeah, that looks like
yeah.
Okay,
it's a fucking beautiful old car.